how to change your profile title on Linktree, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it. First open your browser and then click this one here, appearance, and if you can't find it here, then just click on your profile and click my account, scroll down, and here we'll find appearance. Now let's move to the next step. Just click on this one here, profile title, and now type here any profile title you want, and that's it. Go back, it will be saved. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.